Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ummahs were shown to me. So each prophet accompanied by his ummah started passing by one. So a prophet passed accompanied by only one follower, another prophet with 10 men, still another with 5, whereas one prophet passed unaccompanied. I then cast my glance and saw a huge party. I asked, O Jibreel, is it my ummah? He said, No, but look at the horizon. I looked there to see an extremely huge group of the people. It was said, It is your ummah, and the 70,000 in lead will neither be taken into account nor will be tormented. I asked, For what reason? He said, Those people don't get themselves cauterized, nor do believe in illegal spell, nor do believe in bad omen, rather they trust only in their Lord. Hazrat Ukasha bin Mihsan thereupon got up and submitted, Invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me in them. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam therefore invoked, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, include him in them. Then another man got up and submitted, Invoke Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to include me as well in them. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam thereupon said, Ukasha has preceded you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6541.